Hello there, we are in HSR Layout today and we are looking at 30 by 40 independent 4 BHK house. East facing site, north facing entrance. Closed car garage with portico for two-wheeler parking. Complete teak wood for doors and windows has been used. And marble flooring throughout the house. Built using red bricks. It's a very good quality of construction. Separate living and dining area. This staircase has a central shaft where lift can be accommodated. If you want to install lift, this place is sufficient. This is a common bathroom here. Right round compound wall and enough setback space is given. This is Pooja room, east facing Pooja room. Kitchen in northwest corner with utility. Service area. Servant can come from outside. It's a BDA property. 40 feet wide tar road. Fully developed locality. One bedroom in ground floor. In southwest corner with wardrobes. First floor has 3 rooms through 2 proper bedrooms, and there is a family hall too. This is master bedroom in southwest corner. Very spacious room with full wall-to-wall wardrobes, loft. Solid teak wood doors and shutters. Even for bathroom, teak wood has been used. Bathroom door. It's a dressing area, attached bathroom with bathtub. Lights, fans, geysers. The house just requires one coat of painting. This is a family hall on this first floor. This is a small room, study room. And this is the 4th room, facing towards the road with a dressing, wardrobe, attached bathroom and balcony. Overall around 2200 square feet of super built up area. Good quality of construction. There's a balcony facing towards the road. The locality has a lot of parks. As you know, HSR, there are many parks. Please go through the description below the video for all the details. I'm Ehsan from Bangalore Property. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties from Bangalore. Thank you.